Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome to Next Vault. Today, we're diving deep into the upcoming Bitcoin halving of 2025. What impact will this event have on the market? Why is it so important? And how can investors prepare intelligently? We'll break it all down in today's video. Let's get started. What is the Bitcoin halving? The Bitcoin halving is an event embedded into Bitcoin's core protocol. Every 210,000 blocks mined, or roughly every 4 years, the reward miners receive for validating transactions is cut in half. The primary purpose of this mechanism is to regulate the supply of new Bitcoins in circulation and control the network's native inflation rate. In 2009, miners were rewarded with 50 BTC per block. After multiple halvings, the reward currently sits at 6.25 BTC per block. In 2025, it will drop further to 3.125 BTC per block. This makes the halving a predictable and mechanical reduction in the rate of Bitcoin issuance, which increases its rarity over time. Why is the halving so important? Rarity is one of the key drivers of Bitcoin's value. With every halving, Bitcoin's inflation rate decreases significantly, solidifying its position as a digital store of value, often compared to gold. Historically, each halving has been followed by a substantial price increase within 12 to 18 months. After the 2012 halving, Bitcoin rose from $12 to over $1,000. After the 2016 halving, it climbed to $20,000. Following the 2020 halving, Bitcoin reached its all-time high of over $69,000 in 2021. While past performance doesn't guarantee future results, the economic principles behind the halving have traditionally created upward pressure on Bitcoin's price. The 2025 halving context and challenges. The 2025 halving occurs in a vastly different environment compared to its predecessors. Market maturity, institutional investors, the rise of Bitcoin spot ETFs, and Bitcoin's integration into some investment fund strategies signal a maturing market. Stronger regulations. Many jurisdictions have implemented clearer rules for digital assets, creating both new constraints and new opportunities. Global macroeconomic uncertainty, persistent inflation, restrictive monetary policies, and geopolitical tensions make Bitcoin increasingly attractive as an alternative to traditional currencies. In this context, the 2025 halving could amplify Bitcoin's rarity, spark renewed media attention, and drive fresh investment interest. Possible scenarios after the 2025 halving. Several outcomes are possible following the 2025 halving. Keycap 1 bullish scenario. A progressive price increase driven by growing demand and reduced supply. Bitcoin could reach new all-time highs within 12 to 24 months post-halving. Keycap 2 consolidation scenario. With a more mature and regulated market, the halving's impact might be less explosive but more gradual and sustainable. Keycap 3 bearish scenario. External shocks, unfavorable regulations, or a decline in investor interest could create downward pressure, even after the halving. It's crucial to remain cautious, diversify investments, and tailor strategies to your risk profile. How to prepare for the 2025 halving. Here are some best practices for investors looking to navigate the halving. Checkmark. Adopt dollar cost averaging, DCA. Gradually accumulate Bitcoin through regular purchases to reduce the impact of volatility. Checkmark. Secure your holdings. Use hardware wallets, cold wallets, to minimize the risk of hacking. Checkmark. Think long-term. While the halving serves as a structural catalyst, the market is still subject to significant volatility. Patience and discipline are critical to maximizing potential gains. Conclusion. The 2025 Bitcoin halving is a monumental event that could profoundly shape the market's dynamics. By further reducing Bitcoin's supply, it strengthens the rarity of this one-of-a-kind asset in financial history. However, caution is essential. Understanding the underlying economics, diversifying your investments, and adopting a long-term strategy will be key to navigating this new phase in the cycle. Thank you for watching Next Vault. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights, strategies, and advice on cryptocurrencies, finance, and investing. See you soon on Next Vault.